Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Thank you, everybody, for joining this Answer Hour session for Best Practices for Configuring MicroStation Connect. On the call today, we also have Technical Support Analyst Carl Myhill, Reggie Wallace, and Jason Perry. And myself, I am Todd Moser, Technical Support Analyst with Bentley Support. So throughout this presentation, if you have any questions, please feel free to post those questions in the question and answer box, and my colleagues will try and answer them as best as they can, or I will as well. So thank you again for joining, and let's go to the next slide. Today's meeting agenda here, we will go over the delivered configuration, networking, the custom configuration, organization and your company standards, creating a workspace and a work set, and then debugging your workspace to investigate any issues you may be having workspace related. And at the end, again, questions and answers. During MicroStation installation, if you choose to select the delivered configuration, you just click on the delivered configuration here, continue on with the installation, and you will see that the next dialog or the default configuration comes up to C Program Data Bentley MicroStation Connect Edition configuration is where we deliver the configuration folder to by default. You may choose then to put your company standards in the organization folder here, and your workspaces and work sets get created as well within this configuration folder. And this can remain on the delivered default configuration on the C drive, or it can be located on a network. If you choose to put it on a network, we will go through moving it out to the custom configuration there. We recommend here putting your organization company standards in the organization folder, which will look like this. And this is very similar to the old workspace folder structure that you had in V8i that you may be familiar with, or in previous versions of Connect. And just in here's where we suggest then your symbology folders, DGN libs, anything like that that you need for your company standards. Then if you need to make any changes to those standards, you can use the standards config inside of this organization folder to make those changes and redirect something if need be. And in the new configure or the organization configuration here, we also have moved, if you have taken notice, the old workspace, there was a system folder that many folks would use to put their system or their company standards in with our system folder, which then when MicroStation was upgraded or any changes were made, it would then, they would lose their standards because MicroStation would rewrite that folder. In the new configuration folder, we have moved our system stuff to a completely different location so that doesn't happen. And then this configuration folder does not get overwritten at the time of any upgrades or installs. If you select here now, going to pick the custom configuration during the installation, select custom configuration, go to the three dots there in the bottom of the box, and it will open up a browser allowing you to, if you have a existing configuration on your network, select that configuration at this time, or you can select to create a folder out there on your network, create that folder, and then move the copy of the configuration folder out there at a later point in time. Or we also give you the ability to move the configuration out there later. Even if you've chosen the default configuration, you can move that out there at a later point in time and set the variable. Here we'll look at a demonstration of doing the installation. And during the installation, you can choose whether you want to install Descartes, ProjectWise Drive, and LumenRT at the same time during that installation. Then you will see you can then check on your delivered or custom configuration and continue on with the installation. So let's look at that. Installing MicroStation Connect Edition Update 17. Choose configuration. Here you can select to pick Descartes, ProjectWise, LumenRT. Here you can choose your delivered configuration or your custom configuration. Custom, and select your network location and finish and start the install.
If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. If you want to see more such series, consider subscribing to our channel. Thank you, and see you next time.